everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about endangered species, and I hope this speech will persuade you how to help save them. We all have a responsibility to protect endangered species, both for their sake and for the sake of our future generation, says Loretta Lynch. According to NationalGeographic.com, endangered species are organisms that are on the verge of extinction. These species become extinct because of two main reasons. The first is the loss of habitat, which can happen naturally or due to human development. The other is the loss of genetic variation. This can happen when species of a group reproduce with close members of the family. No new genetics are introduced into the offspring. The main problem I am introducing in my speech is that species are becoming extinct at an irrational rate, and we need to stop it. According to animalplanet.com, there are 41,415 endangered species in this world, and 16,306 of these species are almost extinct. Without certain species, humans could not survive. According to bbc.com, not only are these species beautiful on their own, they enhance the beauty of the earth. We need to keep these species well populated because we use them for many reasons like medicine, agriculture, and beauty. Humans are not the only ones to depend on these species, but also other species depend on others for the food chain. So not only are these species important to us, they are also important to other species to keep living. According to Huffington Post, there are many ways to contribute to saving them, like recycling, reducing water usage and deforestation, and banning trophy hunting. So, minimalizing deforestation for only necessary lots, which means we shouldn't take out areas of the woods like where animals live for stuff that we need when it really should be for them, and we should also impose stricter rules and harsher punishment for trophy hunting. We should also encourage conservation of water and recycling. According to McLaughlin, if we minimize deforestation, species and animals can remain in their natural habitat and flourish in it. If we impose stricter rules and harsher punishment for trophy hunting, it will allow more animals to live because they are not being killed for recreational purposes. According to Rinkish, recycling keeps the plastic out of the oceans and other places. This helps keep the species alive. According to Jane Worley, some other things we can do are drive less, walk more, educate others on how to help maintain species, use paper plastic, volunteer your time at a wildlife center, avoid herbicides and pesticides since they are hazardous to many species and also the community. According to endangered.org, the Endangered Species Act, passed in 1973, was enacted to halt the rapid loss of plant and animal life, but most have disregarded this act because some might think that some species have no importance in our world or that there aren't enough to last. Some might think that extinction is a part of only the strongest survive. Some think that the usage of species habitats can be used for better purposes, like industrial or government property. These people that do not want to save endangered species are as dumb as a dodo bird. By saving these organisms, we will get to see the species survive and die and not let our world around us crumble and grow ugly. We can now watch nature grow instead of industries and pollution. Go to fws.gov to see what more you can do to save endangered species and sign the petition to keep these species safe. This will raise awareness and spread the greatness of saving these wonderful species. So I hope you guys now learn a little bit more about how to save endangered species, and I hope you all go through with it. Thank you all.